Chia your pounds away, a weight loss wonder for your fitness journey. Janet will give us details.
Janet here of the Obesity Prevention Center. Today's topic, the ultimate guide to adding chia seeds to your diet for weight loss. Chia seeds have exploded onto the health scene as a nutritional powerhouse. Just 1 ounce of these tiny seeds packs 11 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, and various vitamins and minerals as noted in the nutrition data database. With benefits ranging from appetite suppression to metabolism support, chia seeds can be a valuable weight loss ally. But simply sprinkling dry chia seeds onto everything won't magically make you lose weight. To fully harness chia's weight loss potential, you need to incorporate them properly into a balanced, lower-calorie diet. Read on to discover the smartest ways to add this superfood to your daily routine for slimming success. Chia seeds' impressive nutrient profile. Chia seeds boast an impressive nutrient profile that explains many of their weight loss benefits. Here's what these tiny seeds contain. Fiber. Nearly 11 grams of fiber per ounce, including soluble fiber that forms a gel-like substance in water, as explained in this study. This gelling fiber helps you feel full and delays stomach emptying to curb appetite. Protein. Around 4 to 5 grams of plant-based protein per ounce, providing sustained energy and helping reduce cravings between meals, according to this research. Healthy fats. Up to 9 grams of fat per ounce, with 60% as heart-healthy omega-3 alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, as noted in this nutrient database. This anti-inflammatory fat boosts fat burning. Vitamins and minerals. Dense in nutrients like calcium, potassium, vitamin A, and vitamin C, which support overall health, as described here. With a stellar combination of macronutrients, micronutrients, and antioxidants, it's easy to see why chia seeds are superstars for weight loss. Chia seeds' role as a weight loss booster. Let's explore exactly how the nutrients in chia seeds can promote weight loss. The mechanisms include appetite suppression. The gelling fiber swells in the stomach, promoting satiety and preventing overeating, according to this study. Protein also enhances satiety. Blood sugar regulation. The combo of fiber, fat, and protein leads to slow, steady conversion of carbs to blood glucose rather than rapid spikes, as discussed here. This prevents energy crashes or fat storage from excess insulin. Metabolism support. The plant-based omega-3s in chia may increase fat burning, enhance exercise efficiency, and help build lean muscle mass, according to this review and this research. Nutrient density. Chia seeds provide maximum nutrition to fuel your body's daily processes with minimal added calories. Finding your perfect portion size. Chia seeds are low in calories, providing only 140 calories per ounce, 28 grams, according to this data. But depending on your weight loss goals, you'll want to pay attention to serving sizes. Here are some tips. Start with around 1 to 2 tablespoons, 10 to 15 grams, daily, and monitor your body's response. If mixing chia seeds with liquids, limit portions to avoid too much gelling fiber. Add chia seeds in place of higher calorie ingredients, rather than simply adding extra calories. Adjust servings based on your total daily caloric needs for healthy weight loss. The optimal amount for you depends on factors like your starting weight, weight loss goals, activity level, and diet composition. Be mindful not to go overboard pouring chia seeds onto everything without accounting for overall calories. 5 easy ways to add chia seeds to your diet. Adding chia seeds to your diet is simple when you know the basics. Here are 5 easy ways to incorporate them. Smoothies. Blend 1 to 2 tablespoons into your morning smoothie. Chia adds thickness, nutrients, and satisfaction. Yogurt. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of dry chia seeds into a bowl of yogurt. Let sit 10 minutes to thicken. Oatmeal. Stir 1 tablespoon chia seeds into your oatmeal along with fruit, cinnamon, nut butter, etc. salad topping. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon chia seeds onto your salad for added crunch and healthy fats. Chia pudding. Combine 3 to 4 tablespoons chia seeds with 1 cup liquid like milk or juice. Refrigerate until thickened into a pudding-like consistency. Experiment with adding chia seeds into your favorite foods and beverages for an extra nutrition and texture boost. Chia-charged breakfasts. Savory and sweet breakfast options are a great place to incorporate chia seeds for weight loss. Try these delicious morning meals. Chia overnight oats. Combine 1/2 cup oats, 1/2 cup milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, cinnamon, and fruit in a jar. Chill overnight for ready-to-eat oatmeal. The chia seeds provide an energy-fueling nutrition upgrade to keep you full past breakfast. Chia smoothie bowls. Blend 1 frozen banana, 1 cup spinach or kale, 1 cup milk or yogurt, and 1 to 2 tablespoons chia seeds for an antioxidant-packed smoothie bowl. Top with fresh fruit, granola, and other toppings for a balanced breakfast. Chia nut pancakes. Mix 2 tablespoons chia seeds into your favorite whole grain pancake batter along with crushed nuts for added protein and healthy fats. Top cooked pancakes with fresh fruit for extra fiber. Nutritious lunches with chia seeds. Keep your midday meal nutritious and satisfying by incorporating chia seeds into lunches in creative ways like chia yogurt parfaits, layered chia seed pudding, Greek yogurt, fresh berries, and sliced almonds for a protein and fiber-filled sweet parfait. Chia tuna salad. Mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of chia gel or seeds into a tuna salad for extra thickness and nutrition. Eat it on whole grain toast or crackers. Chia egg salad. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of chia gel to egg salad to amp up the fiber content and make it heartier. Enjoy in a whole wheat pita or wrapped in lettuce leaves. Nutritious dinners featuring chia. End your day by fueling your body and mind with chia-infused dinner recipes like chia-crusted fish. Coat fish fillets with a mixture of chia seeds, chopped nuts, lemon juice, and herbs before baking. Serve with roasted veggies for a balanced dinner. Lentil chia meatballs. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons chia gel into your veggie or lean turkey meatball recipe to help bind them. Bake and toss in pasta sauce over zucchini noodles. Chia and quinoa stuffed peppers. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons chia seeds to quinoa along with veggies, beans, and seasonings. Stuff into bell peppers and bake for a hearty main meal. Satisfying slimming snacks. Curb cravings between meals with nutritious chia-infused snacks like chia fruit jam on whole grain toast. Chia coconut energy bites. Frozen chia seed popsicles. Chia seed granola bars. Chia seeds help provide lasting fuel so you avoid crashes or overeating later. Hydrate and energize with chia. Since chia seeds absorb liquid and form a gel, they make great additions to hydrating beverages. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons chia seeds to your water bottle to create chia water for long-lasting hydration. Make electrolyte sports drinks by blending chia seeds with coconut water and fresh fruit. Add chia to smoothies you drink post-workout to rehydrate and recover faster. Proper hydration supports metabolism, exercise performance, and overall health for better weight loss results, as explained here. Tracking progress and making adjustments. As with any dietary change aimed at weight loss, be sure to monitor your progress weekly by tracking body measurements and weight on a scale. Pay attention to how you feel in terms of energy, satiety, and stomach comfort. Adjust your chia seed intake and recipes as needed to optimize your personal results. Start slimming down with chia. Adding nutrient-dense chia seeds to your diet provides a worthwhile nutritional boost, especially when it comes to weight loss. Their fiber keeps you full, protein builds lean muscle, and healthy fats aid fat burning. Gradually work chia seeds into your breakfasts, main meals, snacks, and hydrating drinks. Let them help you replace higher calorie ingredients for better weight management. Combine chia seeds with daily exercise, an overall healthy diet, and positive lifestyle habits. With some creativity and consistency, chia seeds can be an integral part of your slim down success.
Awesome, Janet. Thank you. For our viewers, we encourage you to keep losing weight with us here at the Obesity Prevention Center. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Our newsletter is also packed with special offers and exclusive content directly to your inbox. See you on our next vlog.